Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. Today, I will show you how to display an alert dialog. In previous video, I have shown you how to display toast and also how to display pop-up. And now I will show you how to display an alert dialog. There are some difference between two previews. In alert dialog, you can add two buttons. So you can make an action with two buttons. For example, if you want to quit the application, you add the button. Do you want to exit? Yes or no, for example, etc. And to create another dialog or to display another dialog in your application, I will show you this in Android Studio. So I have create project. I call him always our demo. And to display another dialog, what we'll do now, we create directly another dialog like this. New alert dialog. Okay? And after this, we call the builder and we give him the context. Take the first one, huh? So we give him the context. It means this. After this, what we do? In Alert Dialog, we have a lot of options. What is the option? We can set an icon. We can have a title of Alert Dialog. We can also get a message in Alert Dialog. For example, as I said before, do you want to quit the application or no? And also, the most important, we have two buttons. We call them positive and negative button. Okay? So to implement all these options, how to do? One by one, we set them one by one, like this. The first one, dot set. We start with icon, and I will choose drawable. So here, icon is, I think, in Android dot air dot drawable dot icon. I have a lot of icon. How do you see? I have a lot of. I will choose info, for example. Okay, that's the first option. The second option is I will choose a title. Set, I think, title. Yeah, I will choose this one. I give him string, for example. As I said before, simple alert dialog. This title. After this, I will choose the message. For the message, I said before, do you want to exit the application, for example? And now I will add the button. We have two buttons. We have positive button and negative button. For example, it's simple like yes or no. Okay? In Android, they are called like this: positive and negative button, as I will show you now. So look, dot to add the button. The first one is positive button. Do you see? And in the positive button, we have two things. We have the message that we display, or the text we display in the button, and also an action. So we choose this one. First one is, for example, yes, as I had before. And an action, to implement an action, is in the interface. This called, I think, dialog interface or interface dialog. I don't remember. Dialog interface. Okay? After this, on click listener. And I implement the method. Tick. What I have forgot. What I have forgot. Yeah. What I have forgot. Ah, sorry, it's new. Sorry. After this, I will implement the method. Yeah, this one on click by default. And here, for example, I will show in the log I have called yes. You can make an action what you want. Okay. So I will just put here info yes button. And the second one, I have put positive, and now I will choose the negative button, the same thing. Set negative button. And here, if you don't want to make an action for the second button, you choose here null. Okay? I can put it to look. And here, I just display no. Okay? Now I have put the principal option to my dialog, and to display it, I just call the method that is called show. Like this. Okay? So let's see now. Sorry. I have ran a meter before. I need the load calc also. Oops, do you see? Here is it. I repeat, because it's down. I have put it down. So I start again. Do you see? Here is now dialog. Here is an icon. You can change it. I will change it, I think, after this. And here is the title of my dialog and the message. And now look, I will choose now. I have no action. It disappeared, but I have no action. Okay. But if I choose, I come back. I will start again application. Okay. And if I choose yes, here, do you see? Here is it. Info yes button. Okay. So I think it's very easy to create also the dialog to make all this concept with sharp reference and menu. I want to create simple application like this. I will show you this here. That's my simple app. What my app will do. The first time when I run the application, I got this Alert Dialog that contains two languages. That give me to choose between these two languages. When I choose the language, remember, I will put it in the text field here. Okay, for example, if in English, of course, our dialog disappear, and I will put in English in text field. That's the first thing. And when I come back the second time, the application, I can see directly the language that I have chosen before. I don't get the pop-up. Dialog, sorry. Okay? It means I will store it with shared preference. And I can change the language again with the menu that is here. Okay, I will add the menu that allow us to change the language. If I change, it takes me change. And also when I start, it's the same thing. Same thing. So let's implement this step by step. Use the note that or see the previous video that I have showed before about how to add the menu and also how to store data using shared preferences. Okay, let's start. I think all also the note here. I will show you for each thing I have press per note. As you can see, function bar the menu for storing data. If you don't remember, there's all I have here, and also for alert dialog. I put all this data. Don't worry about this, as I said before. I put all this data when I finish the course in the website teams.winners.com. So let's start to create our application. Here I will Stop this one, and I will create new project. I will call him language choice, for example. Good, good. So, what is the first thing that we will make here? Remember, I said the first time when we create an application, when we start our application, it shows the Alert Dialog only if we don't have stored language in my in my memory, I mean my child preference. Okay, so to do this, I will call share preference directly here. Do you remember how to do this or no? Share preferences. Share preferences. After we call, I think this dot get share preferences. I don't remember this dot get share preferences, and we give him the name of application. First thing, and the second one, the mode. For I will choose a private to don't share my data with our application. So the mode dot private is the first thing. Okay. The second one is I will try to read if I have data in my shared preferences that is called language, for example. If I don't have, I will display the pop-up. If I have the data, I will do nothing. Okay. So how to do this? String language is char preferences dot. I have for me it's string. Sorry, it's string. You can choose float what you want. For example, Boolean 0 it means English and 1 it means Arabic. You can choose what you want. Okay, you have a lot of choice. It's conception about what you want to do. So I will choose string, and here I will give him tech language is my key or language what you want language, and the default value will be null. Okay. Now what I will do, I will test or empty if you want. I will choose empty here, empty string. If I don't have language in my shared preference in my memory of the application, I will display another dialog. Okay. If I have it, good, I let it, or I will display it in the text field. But before to continue, I will add the previous text field and the menu. I have all. Get, I don't add them now, so I will add the text field here. Okay, text view. Yeah, I will just let text view, no problem. But by default, I have nothing. And here, it's called text view. Okay. What I have also, I will add the menu after this, no problem. Because I need text view to set the language. And now, what I will do, I will test, sorry, if I have the data language or no. If language dot equals empty string, it means, here it means I don't have the language stored. Okay, and here I will display my alert dialog. So I will just copy paste the code that I have put before this one. Okay, I will just put it here. Yeah. And here I will just language setting, change some parameters, language setting. And here, what is your favorite language? Is your what is your oh yeah, what is your favorite language? No problem. And here I will choose English, and here Arabic. But okay, that's the first thing. Now here I don't have null. I will put the same thing here. So this one, new dialog alert interface. Sorry, on click listener. Okay, I will put my action to text field. Okay, so here I will need to get my text field. I can do it here or in my activity, whatever you want. Huh? So, but I need to call them text field, text view. Sorry, text view, and here text view goal. What we do? Find view by ID. So this is r dot id dot text view. Cool. I will cast it if it's needed, but I will don't do. Don't tell me to cast it. And now, what I will do here, I will just put the language. So text view dot set text. I will give him my language. It is for the first one is English, and here it's Arabic. Okay. That is the first thing. But remember, if I don't have it, and also if I have it, I will add it to my sharp preferences. Remember, because I don't have it. The goal is to put it in the sharp preferences when I come back. It is not null, it is not empty, and it's displayed directly to my application. Okay? So, here, if I have it, where is the else? I display it directly. So, set text, text view, set text, I will give him what I have retrieved from my sharp references. It means language. Do you see? That's the first thing. Now, I will create the menu. Remember, to create a menu, I will go to the resource folder. I will create another directory. I call him menu. And here we create the file for the menu. Right click, menu resource file, and main menu. Okay. Here I will add the item. I just added two items. Huh? So the first one is on the ID. ID setting is not important. Title is setting. And the second one is language. Item on the ID is language, and on the title is language. Okay, now I will associate my menu to my activity. So here When I start, I can do it here. I will call, if you remember, menu and flutter. Do you remember? Menu and flutter equal get menu and flutter. Okay. After this, I will make menu and flutter dot inflate and tuk 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 tuk. What I have forgot? What I have forgot? Sorry, I have make mistake here. You see, I must check my note. So I don't put them here because I have the menu. I must override the method associated with the menu, and it is, I think, on option on create option menu. Yeah, this one. And here I will call menu inflator get menu inflator. I will give after this menu inflator dot inflate. My menu is air dot menu dot main menu, and here menu. Okay, now it's good. Now it's good. What we do also, I think I will change my menu. I will put it, I think, more readable. Here I will choose. Where is it? Where is it? Where is the menu? Here. I will choose English and Arabic. Okay, to change directly also the setting, the variable in the shell preferences, and also in text field. It's more readable. So English here, English, and here Arabic. To use the same the two items. English. I don't want to display again the Alert dialog. English. Do you see I changed directly the app? And after this, what we will do, I will put the action associated for this dialog for English and Arabic. And here what we do, so it is on option, I think, item selected, I think, if I remember, yes, this one. And I will check this one, retrieve this one. And here, do you remember I will use the switch to get the which item I have selected. Switch. And here it is item dot get item ID. Okay. The first one is, remember, it is so air dot ID dot it is called, I think, English. Yeah, English. So in this case, what I will do, I will change the first thing, the shell preferences. Okay. So to do this, I will remove this declaration from this to the global because I need it always. So here I will change the shell preferences dot edit dot put string, and here I call him language, so I put the same thing, the same key, and here I choose English. Anyway, another case, don't forget to make apply. Okay, what is the problem here? No, what I have forgot? I don't see where is the problem. So I will see after this now. And the text field also, I will change the text field. So also the text field, I will put it here. The text field also, I will need to put it here. I will use it. And here, I just call him directly here. And here also text view dot set text with English. Okay, and return true. But I don't know why I have this error here. I don't know why I have this error. So let's continue. Ah, case. Sorry, case. I have forgot the case. Aye. So second one is Arabic. I put here Arabic and here Arabic. Okay, I don't know if I have put all the thing or no. And of course, default method. Default. I just return false. Good. What we have do until now. So let's see. Let's see if I forgot something or no. Let's see. We do it step by step. Sorry. I think I have problem. What is the problem? Where is null pointer exception? I have a null pointer exception. Why? Main. Okay, it means I got a null pointer here. Okay. Tuk, 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 tuk. What I have forgot. So I don't remember. I don't see something here that is called null. I will open my previews to see what I have forgot. Share preference demo. New window. Yeah, I think it's on create. Okay, it's on create. Okay, I will do it here. No problem. Yeah, so this one, I put it in on create. I just declare here in on create. I put this and I will see if I have the same error or no. It is the same thing. Let's start. Okay. App crash. Okay, what is the problem again? I have put some error in my thing. Virtual method. View window, get callback. Which one? Okay. Ah, in text view, the problem. Ah, okay. Tuk, 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 tuk. It's the same thing. I will put it in the on create. Sorry. Okay, the same thing here. So text view equal, and now yes, because the context of application isn't created yet, so I can't get them before to call the method on create. Okay, and now do you see? As you can see, here is application. The first time I don't have nothing in my text field. So now I will choose Arabic, for example, and I have English. I inversed I think I have inversed. Maybe I have inversed. Let's see what I have put in my dialog. It's English, the first one. Ah, sorry. I let here. Ah, sorry. Let's start again. But here I must, I think, delete the. I can't get the dialog, I think, because it's in shell preference. So let's start again. And here I will choose Arabic. Cool. Now I have the my text field. Okay. I will close the application. Okay. I will run it before. I will run it again. Where is it? I think it's tac. It is language choice. What is it? This one. I have always the Alert Dialog. Do you know why or no? Because I don't put it in the share preference. So do you see? I forgot something. I tell you, I will run the application to see if I forgot something or no. So here I can put English, no problem. But I will make the same thing. This one, the same thing here. I don't put it when I choose the first time. So here I put same thing, English. What do you want? English, Arabic. Okay, I make all the same thing here. English. Let's start with uppercase, the first letter, and here English, and here Arabic. Okay. Hopala. So now I will just delete the application to make it fresh from the start. Okay, let's do it now again. I move it to run it the first time. Okay. So the first time I don't have my variable in the shell preference. So here I will choose Arabic. Good. Now I will close the application. I will run it again. Where is it? This one. Do you see? I have always Arabic. I don't have Alert Dialog. I can now change it here. I will change now with English. Good. Do you see? I close. I run it again. Good. It's very easy. I don't have Alert Dialog. I don't have. It's first time I need only to store my variable. It's a simple, very simple application that I have implemented the through topics. How to add the menu, how to add how to use sharp reference to store the data, and also I have added the last topic that is about another dialog. Also, I have forgot something. I have seen my note. As you can see, when I run an application, I have added another section because I forgot some of them. Step by step to achieve what I want. Okay, so I hope that you have understand how to add these three concepts. Also, in this video, how to add Alert Dialog. Now you can, as I said before, start. Try, say, please, to start your application, your own application. If you don't have any idea, you tell me maybe I don't have all of topics. Yes, don't wait. Please don't wait. Don't wait to get all the tools to start. If you don't have all the tools, what you do? You can do at least design it. Okay, make the design, the prototype of your application in PowerPoint, in Word, what you want. Okay, in the paper, make the design. Here is the first screen, the second screen, etc. Here is my accent, what I want. If you see the topic isn't sufficient until this moment, you can wait or you can search by yourself for the next etc. The course isn't finished yet, but don't wait. I recommend you to don't wait that I will finish the course to start your own application. Okay? Practice directly, please. Thank you a lot of brothers and sisters. If you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and like it also. See you, inshallah, for the next topic and about SQL Lite database. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.